All right, my friends. So, here's my story. Recently, I was diagnosed with some serious health issues, which caused me to kind of stay in bed. And I developed, I believe, like a dark depression, just laying down all the time. I had no motivation to do anything. So, of course, I lost my job and those things. So I decided to, in order for me to move on and kind of get my head back, I had to sell everything off and get out of debt. And that's what I did. Sold my house, got myself a zero debt, and ended up buying this SUV. I was in the market a few years ago looking at some vans, but those things have been now overpriced and out of my budget. So I got the next best thing, which was a reliable SUV, something I could sleep in the back and kind of get some traveling done. I went ahead and purchased a 4Runner. It's a 2020, and I outfitted it either by myself or with some help, so the vehicle can sustain itself, kind of like in an apartment. It has electricity, it has solar, it has a fridge, bed, and it also has, as you can see behind me here, is the restroom facilities. So far, I've been on the road, say, for about a few months, and there's so much that I've learned about, this car living or SUV living, and I got a lot more content coming out for all of that. But I just want to start making these videos to show people that no matter what happens in your life, whether it's a health issue or a social issue, whatever it may be, that sometimes you can change your trajectory toward that negative or depression, and just get out and do something abnormal and have fun with it. We're only on this planet for 80 years, right? So, if lucky. So I hope you guys stick around and come with me and enjoy these adventures that I'm about to go on in my SUV. And I will be putting out videos hopefully once a week. The next video, I'm going to take you guys around my vehicle and show you all the parts of it. So far, it's been a blessing. I've been staying at free campsites, boondocking areas, those types of things, and meeting a lot of people and just kind of enjoying the slowdown and less anxiety over what I was doing before and try to deal with my health issues. So I hope you guys stick around and we'll have some fun. All right, guys. Catch you guys in the next one.